Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a phone number on LinkedIn account. So let's see how to do it. First of all, open your LinkedIn app. Tap on profile icon in the top corner. Tap on settings. Tap on sign in and security. Phone number. Add phone number. Type your phone number. Select your country. And enter your LinkedIn password. After enter password, tap on send code. Paste your code on phone number and tap on verify. And see your phone number successfully added. By this way, you can easily add your phone number on LinkedIn account. Thank you so much everyone. Subscribe for more updates.